Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing just a get ready with me. I'm going out to dinner with some friends tonight and I wanted to try out a new product, a new foundation. So I thought I would just film myself getting ready and I really like how it turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look and get ready with me, then please keep watching. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my eyes. I've already put concealer on to prime them, and I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette today. So basically, I just wanna do something super kind of relaxed, but can go from day to night, because what I'm doing is I'm going out to dinner with my friends, and then we may go out after that, so whatever makeup I do, it has to last all day, but it also has to not look crazy during the daytime, since it is daytime outside. Because you don't want to show up somewhere, like we're going to the mall at first, and you don't want to show up somewhere and then look like a crazy person because you're wearing all this like dark eyeshadow. So I'm going to do something probably like bronzy. I don't really know yet. I haven't decided. I'm just going to take like the warm shades and build up the transition at first and then go in with a bronze shade on the lid, something a little darker, very relaxed. Today's going to be more about the foundation. I'm so excited. I finally got the Hourglass Vanish Stick foundation. And I'm so excited to try it. I've tried like a sample of it before, but everyone always says like, oh, it's only good for dry skin, but I saw Manny MUA use it. I know that he has oily skin and he loves it. And I just feel like if I set my face really well, then maybe it'll look good. So we'll see. Except for I got so annoyed at the Sephora counter whenever I went to pick like whatever shade I wanted, because obviously I know my skin and I know my foundation shades and like what I like and what I prefer, and I go there and there was like a Hourglass lady like selling the foundation or whatever, and she was standing in front of the shades, and so I was like, oh, can I get in? And she was like, oh, let me shade match you. I was like, no, that's really fine, like I like to pick it. And then a Sephora employee came up and was like, oh, I'll shade match you. And I was like, no, I don't need you. I don't need any of you. And they literally wouldn't let me go to the foundation. She like kept handing me ones. I was like, can I do something a little bit more warm, a little bit lighter, a little darker? And she just kept handing them to me. Like literally wouldn't even let me near the foundation, like to see any of the shades. So I'm gonna try out the one that she gave me and we'll see how it works. And then if I don't like it, I'll just return it. But I'm gonna be so annoyed. I just like picking out my own foundation shades, and I feel like that is not too much to ask for. I'm just gonna put a little bit of darkness on the outer edge. I really don't want it to be too dark because, again, I don't want to do like this intense smoky eye where I look like a crazy person, like I said. Mainly because, for those of y'all that aren't my actual friends that are subscribers that know me in real life, I live in New York. I moved here from Texas. And so whenever I go out in New York and like do my makeup and stuff, I find that people don't really wear as much makeup and don't do as intense makeup as I did in Texas. Like whenever I used to live in Houston, like whenever we would go out, it would always be like full glam. Everybody's getting ready. It's, you know, like it's a big deal to get ready together and go out. But here, people are very much like of the natural nature, not wearing any makeup. Like, I'm honestly always the person wearing the most makeup every single place I go and, like, always have my hair done. Nobody else tends to, like, really care about it, which I guess is a freeing thing to do, but I love makeup and I like doing it, so I'm gonna keep doing it. I wanted to do something maybe a little bit more bronzy. Ooh, this may be kind of dark and I have to lighten it up, but we'll see. Oh, well, I mean, it's really, oh, whew, I could, like, feel the fallout. But that's okay. I mean, this is a really pretty shade. Maybe it's not the fallout. It's not fallout. It's a little piece of my brush is like shaking off and hitting me in the eye. Okay, now that I went in with my brow bone highlight, which I really like, and I like how this turned out. This is super easy. And it looks really good, which is all that matters. I'm gonna go ahead and do liquid liner. Just to add a little cat eye, I think it'd be cute. Shake it up. I always use a mirror and look down to do my eyeliner because I feel like it just gives you a better angle, and I've been doing this lately and I feel like it's become a lot easier to my makeup, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. See, that was super easy, and you look down, that's kind of an intense wing, like that's really long, but just work with what you got, I guess. But I mean, it looks really good. It's just kind of intense, but I guess that's okay. Oh well. So now that the eyes are done, which actually turned out really good, I had never used that liquid liner before, but I really like that. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the face. Just using basically all my favorite stuff. I'm not really gonna go through products, but I'll let you know all the things that I use. I have been obsessed lately with Dexter. I had never watched it before, like whenever it was actually on, but now it's on Netflix and I've been watching it lately. I'm obsessed with it. I normally am not like a murder mystery or like police show type of person. It's just not really my thing. But oh my God, I think it's so good. I've been loving Dexter. If you guys are loving any shows, let me know. It takes me forever sometimes to finish shows. Like I'm horrible at binging. I'll watch like the first 6 episodes or something like that. I think this is out. I'll watch the first like 6 episodes or so, and then it kind of like slows down. So I'm not a good binge watcher. It always takes me way longer to finish shows than my husband. Like we'll start watching it at the same time, and then I'll be gone for like 6 hours or something, and I come back and he's already like in a different season because he started watching everything else, and then it takes me like forever to catch up. Like I still haven't finished Westworld. I've watched every single episode except for the last one of like season 2 or whatever. Or no, season 1. I've watched every single episode except for the last one. And I just haven't been in the mood. I feel like I need to be in the mood to watch TV, like certain TV shows and stuff. Okay, this is going to be very interesting, so pray for me with this foundation shade. I feel like it's going to be a little dark, but that's okay. So we'll see. Don't make fun of me if it's dark, we'll fix it. I also don't really know how much to use. Ooh, that's definitely different. That's a different shade. But if you can see, my neck is like the lightest part of my body compared to everything else. So I think that I can fix this. Let's see here. I'm gonna use a brush to blend this in. And we'll just see here. Gotta get that ear since obviously nothing matches. Okay, that's definitely pretty yellow, but I actually really like my foundations to be yellow. I think it looks really pretty. And once I do like bronzer and stuff, I can probably blend it in, but I actually kind of like that shade. For concealer, I'm gonna use just my normal ones. We'll see how this wears. I'm like super curious to see how this is gonna look after I wear it for a long period of time, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, I'm so excited for tonight. We're going to a Mexican food restaurant, which is like my favorite type of food. I feel like my favorite drinks are either margaritas or like a glass of wine. I haven't been liking like actual vodka sodas or just kind of plain drinks. I want something to like taste really yummy and for there to be a reason why I'm consuming the calories. Okay, this is looking really pretty. And obviously the concealer is lightening things up. That always happens. It's also a little tip if you accidentally put on foundation that's like a little bit dark for you. Just lighten it up with concealer and it'll all be good. I kind of like getting like a bit of a darker foundation, especially for summertime though. And I feel like this will look really good with a little bit of self-tanner on. And this is supposed to be really long lasting. We'll see. Ooh, hopefully I don't mess up my eyebrows. I did those before just because I feel like I am not an eyebrow connoisseur. You guys should not be looking to me for that kind of information. Not that I won't give it, because like, I'll show you how I do my brows. I just feel like I'm not an expert on it, and I hate giving advice on, oh, you should do it this way or that way. Because I'm just not the main person you should be asking. Now, since this foundation is meant for more dry skin, I'm gonna be setting basically my entire face, just so that none of my oils will peek through. Ooh, that was like a ton to put in one section. You've got powder flying. Let's see, what are my summer plans? Anybody watching this video, are you going somewhere fun? Are you doing something fun? Let me know. I'm not really traveling anywhere for the summer. I'm going to Chicago next week, and that'll be fun. And then I'm going to Michigan in, this is all like stuff for weddings, but I'm going to Michigan in June, and my best friend's coming to visit in like 2 weeks. I actually did her makeup for her wedding, and I'm gonna see if while we're here, she would be down to film a video, like be on camera. I don't actually know if she would want to do that, but like recreating her wedding makeup, because I feel like that would be like a fun video to see. Like I would want to see that. Okay, that looks good. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that setting powder and kind of carve out my cheekbones just a little bit. Nothing too intense. Nothing too intense. I'm literally doing this to go to dinner and to go out. Like, I'm a crazy person. Who does this for that? Now I'm gonna make myself look all bronzed. I went to Florida like a couple weeks ago for a wedding actually, but my husband and I made it like a little trip and kind of went beforehand, went to the beach. I got so sunburned at the beach. Like I haven't been that sunburned in a really long time, but I was just stupid and did not wear enough SPF, and I was like, oh, I want to be tan. But I got burned, or that's now turned into tan, like literally everywhere but my neck and my face, because I did put sunscreen on those. And so now I feel like my neck is so pale compared to the rest of my body. Like that matches my body. Like my body is not that pale. Now I just have to put bronzer literally everywhere, but it could be worse. Just gonna wipe that away. Okay, I think this is looking really pretty. Now that everything is like blended in and stuff, I actually really like that foundation shade. I think that's really pretty. I know I'm looking a little powdery, but it'll be fine. I'm about to put on blush. This is actually my favorite part of my foundation routine, or like my entire makeup routine. I love blush. I do not understand people who don't wear blush. I mean, I get you can do like a bronzy, glowy look, but blush is my favorite thing on the planet. It's my favorite thing to apply. I think it makes your face look so pretty. I love blush, and that's my favorite one. Actually, when I wear on my wedding day, I will always repurchase that one. I will always have it. NARS Deep Throat, amazing. Let's see, ooh, now highlighter. Another fun part, but I'm gonna do the molten rose gold that I talk about, I feel like all the time. I love this highlighter. Okay. Now you can't forget to put it in your inner corners. I feel like this step is really easy to forget, but it makes a huge difference. I feel like in brightening up your face, I love putting on inner corner highlight. And plus, if you have like oily skin or something like me, it can give you like the illusion of having more dewy skin when it's actually just a powder. Oh, so pretty. Okay, I'm loving how this turned out. This foundation looks so pretty. Oh, I'm loving this. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in. Got a fresh bottle of Fix Plus and set my face. Oh, this honestly smells like a hot guy. This stuff is so good. It is such a good setting spray. Making me look nice and dewy. I probably shouldn't have put that much on when I have such a dewy foundation on, but oh well. I'm just gonna take this and pat that in. Mascara is on. The only thing I need to do now is add a lip color and put on like a cute top or something for going out, and then I will be ready, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. It all came together. I obviously put on a shirt because I'm not gonna go out in a robe. It's unfortunately still really cold here in New York. It's 55 degrees, so I had to wear a sweater, which is like a separate issue. But yeah, added some earrings. The lip that I did is called Beach Babe by Tarte, and with the Sugar Sugar Marc Jacobs gloss, that's what I did for my lips. I already went and put it in my purse. And yeah, I really like how it turned out. Side note, that foundation is amazing. I think it looks so good. I can see why people are obsessed with it, and I'm really interested to wear it all night and kind of see how it works on me. I really hope that it doesn't get too greasy because I love the way this looks. I think it looks beautiful. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.